Are you tired of those pesky kids messing up the backseat of your vehicle? Well, I am too. And there's a solution out there for you. Covercraft Seatsavers will help retain the resale value of your vehicle and keep your seats clean. Today, we're going to go over the features and benefits of these seat covers and show you how to install them. So stick around. Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Lawn Company. So I recently went to trade in my vehicle and that thing was a mess. From the kids, the dog, myself, it took like 2 to 3 hours to get that thing cleaned out. If I would have had a set of Covercraft Seatsavers, man, it would have dramatically helped the resale value because the factory seats never get touched. So you slide these things on and it preserves the factory look of your seats. It's a no-brainer. These Seatsavers are cool because they're coated with a water repellent sealant that will keep liquid stains off of it. They're designed to keep dust, dirt, and debris off your seats. And they're machine washable, so you can just pull them off, throw them in the washer, and bam, you can put them back on. It's like new. They're made with a heavy-duty woven fabric, and they're good for construction workers if they have their tool belt on, climbing in and out of the truck. Also good for everyday use, from the kids climbing in and out and dog jumping in and out. They're really nice. So these Seatsavers come in multiple different colors and fabric options. Today we're going to show you how to install the poly cotton charcoal black Seatsaver. For you construction workers out there, Covercraft has came up with a Carhartt Seatsaver, just like those traditional jackets you see everybody wearing out there. So this is actually Carhartt branded, and it comes in 2 different colors. For you avid hunters out there, or just if you like camo, Covercraft has also came up with a camo. This is Breakup Country Mossy Oak Camo, and it comes in 2 different color patterns. These Seatsavers are your make model specific and will fit to the exact contours of your seat, so they don't look loose like some universal covers do. Now that we've went over the features and benefits of these seat covers and how they can help you retain your resale value, let's go ahead and go outside. We've got a shop truck here that we've had these seat covers on for about 9 years, and we're going to peel them back and see how it looks. And we're also going to show you how to install them. All right, like I said inside, this is our daily runner, our shop truck. It's got a lot of wear and tear on it. These seat covers have been on here for a long time and they've been put up with a lot of in and out, a lot of traffic. You can see there's a lot of stains here, a lot of marks, wear and tear. On the console right here where people rest their arm, there's a lot of wear and tear. Let's go ahead and get these covers off and see what it looks like underneath. Okay, we pulled the seat covers off and this thing looks immaculate. We pulled it off the driver's side and the console and it looks like new. So the resale value will definitely stay high because these were being protected by a Covercraft Seatsaver. I'm about to get a set for my truck. Now that we've shown you how these Seatsavers hold up, let's go ahead and unbox a new set and show you how to install them. Okay, we got Boss Man's blacked out Chevy Silverado here. He has a black leather interior, so we chose the charcoal black poly cotton Seatsavers. Believe it or not, people do put seat covers on their leather interior because it helps protect it from wear and tear when you're climbing in and out of the vehicle. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed and show you how to install them. So the first row and the second row for these seat covers are sold separately. And for the purpose of this video, we've only got the front set. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So inside the box, we of course have the seat covers, passenger and driver side, and the headrests. They're tucked inside of each other. So there's both headrests right there. And you have instructions and a little survey card, which is pretty neat. Both headrest covers are connected to one of the Seatsavers, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this off, like so. All right, I'm going to go ahead and grab the driver's side, and let's show you how easy these are to install. So the first step in installing this Seatsaver is the headrest cover. Now some vehicles you can remove the headrest, but this one you can't, so we're just going to go ahead and slide it over. Nice tight fit. We'll go ahead and pull this strap back and Velcro it on. Now we'll move on to the backrest. We're going to slide the backrest over first, and then we'll hook it on the bottom where the seat's at. So go ahead and slide it over. Like so. There's some Velcro right here. Go ahead and unvelcro that. Slide it over the top. So the Seatsaver logo will be to the outside on the driver's side. Nice and tight. There's some Velcro right up here, right under the headrest, the top of the backrest. Go ahead and Velcro that. Now there's a loop right here. Little hook and loop fastener. We're going to go ahead and run this in between the crevice right here and go under the seat. So we'll go ahead and tuck that back. All right, next step is we'll go ahead and take the bottom part and put it over the seat. Stretch it over like so. We're going to pull it back and tuck this part in a little bit. I'm going to pull this string, get it pulled nice and tight so it's in there snug. And then we'll tuck this whole part under this plastic right here. And it's got a little foam piece that's tucked inside this pocket that'll fit right up in this lip to help hold it down. Once you have the seat cover on the seat cushion, you go ahead and grab the strap that runs underneath it from the back of the backrest. You're going to fasten it to the front right here like this. We're going to unclip this like so. Run it through the strap that runs across the bottom of the seat. Go ahead and fasten it in and then clip it in. Okay, that's how you install a Covercraft Seatsaver. It's as easy as that. So we did the driver's side, you repeat the same steps on the passenger side, and you're good to go. Your investment's protected. Thanks for watching today as we spotlighted and installed Covercraft Seatsavers. Let us know how you feel about these Seatsavers in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a like. Remember to subscribe. We haven't had a lot of subscribers lately, so please subscribe to our channel. Remember to tune in every Friday for more truck-related content like this. See y'all next week. Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. So I've got a story to tell you that you may be... Do you have a mullet? We got the Carhartt seat covers just for you. These Seatsavers are really, really nice, because they are. So, now that we've shown you how these seats... Thanks for watching today as we spotlighted and installed the Covercraft Seatsavers.